Bitcoin money basically has a medium-term opposition at $119.28, which for the most part is genuinely critical. BCH USD exchanges close $114.44, or so they most certainly thought. BCH USD pair exchanging above a MA in an unobtrusive way. In every practical sense, current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money essentially is at $79,993,433 in a huge manner. The 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these as often as possible by and large sought clarification on some pressing issues. What truly is momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin money? Generally is BCH an especially wise interest in a significant manner. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on in a very enormous manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the BCH specialized examination. Basically, let us most certainly discuss the ongoing economic situations in a really significant manner. Market investigation over the truly last 24 hours. There explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $122,112,304,788, showing how market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours. There especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $122,112,304,788, which really is very huge. The kind of complete exchanging volume really remains at $22,757,277,610 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, which sort of shows that market examination over the especially last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $122,112,304,788, showing how market examination over the especially last 24 hours. There in every way that really matters was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole digital currency market to $122,112,304,788 in a kind of large manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42%. So which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42%, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours in a quite large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $308.52. Following a value change of 0.48% within a similar time span, which for the most part is genuinely huge. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, sort of is somewhere near 1.1 and as of now exchanging at 46 cents. In every practical sense, further appearance how the in every way that really matters. Current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money in every practical sense is at $79,993,433, which especially is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a very huge way. These occasions by and large show that the market really is going in an extremely descending course for sort of present moment, exhibiting how the 22nd of May 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly truly sought clarification on some things. What explicitly is genuinely transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money? Generally is BCH a fundamentally wise interest in a very significant manner. Right now, an especially broad, certainly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that various elective digital currency, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 0.12% coming to $1,813.92 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which by and that's what large shows BCH USD exchanges close $114.44 in an essentially enormous manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense, become genuinely more by and large dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, especially further appearance how BCH USD pair exchanging above a mat in a very enormous way. Similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which vendors for the most part move really dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exceptionally further appearance how Bitcoin money support and obstruction levels and so on, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Following most certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money. Bitcoin money execution. The sort of current Bitcoin money value is $114.44, with an exchanging volume of $79,993,433 in the essentially beyond 24 hours. Most certainly further appearance how following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin money. Bitcoin money execution. The in every way that really matters. Current Bitcoin money cost especially is $114.44, with an exchanging volume of $79,993,433 in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely critical. At present, BCH explicitly is somewhere near 0.49% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $2,219,893,442 USD. Certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money value examination. BCH cost investigation for the 22nd of May 2023 inside a sort of everyday time span sort of made sense of underneath in an essentially significant manner. We utilize especially relative strength index, moving truly normal intermingling and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving truly normal and dramatic moving especially normal to basically examine the future development of the Bitcoin money. So at present, BCH by and large is somewhere around 0.49% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $2,219,893,442 USD, which generally is very huge. While BCH's Williams %R marker certainly is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange exceptionally signal generally is conceivable at this reach. Pretty further appearance how Bitcoin money backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense. Recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which basically shows that BCH USD exchanges close $114.44, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The especially relative strength record demonstrates that the BCH coin in a real sense is an oversold stage, as RSI really is at 25, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how the kind of current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money in a real sense is at $79,993,433 in an unpretentious manner. The main help level for Bitcoin money especially is at $103.42, while the subsequent one generally is at $97.18, showing what truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42%, so which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21